Hello, my friends. One of the hardest truths that I've come to realize and accept in my life is that most of the things that they teach you in school, okay, about money, about business, about this and that, not they are not true, not that they are not true, okay, but you need to understand that they are just theoretical. They might don't even work in real life. And if you want to understand how money works, okay, I want you to know that money goes where attention flows. And for anybody that wants to make money, you must find a way to get the attention. Look, my friends, in this video, okay, in this video, I want to share with you something very, very important. Something that you must understand because if you do not understand it, my friends, okay, I'm telling you, you might just not get anything that you want out of life. All the good things that you want out of life are tied to your ability to understand this simple thing that money flows where attention goes. And for anybody that wants to make money, okay, for anyone that wants to achieve good success from money, okay, you need to understand that money goes where attention flows. And so, what is the one money habit that is holding you back? What is the one habit that is holding you back from making good money? It is your mindset. The mindset that you're having about money is the only thing that is holding you back from having money. Okay? A lot of people have a very, very limiting mindset okay, about making money. They have what I call the scarcity mindset. Scarcity mindset is you saying that, oh, there's no money, the government is bad, oh, I cannot afford it, oh, it's too expensive, oh, it's too costly, oh, these people are wasting money, oh, this is this. I want you to understand that money is what? Money is a tool. Money is a means of exchange. And what is the exchange? The exchange of value. And so until how you become more valuable, that's how money is going to reward you. The marketplace is going to reward you for your value, not because of your fine face, not because of your pretty face, not because of the things that you know how to do or this or that. The marketplace is the one that decides your value. Until you change this limiting mindset of understanding that money goes where attention flows, this is where you understand that if you want more money, you should find a way to build more value. And when you build more value, find a way to make people know that you're offering this unique service. Okay, it's about being so peculiar that everybody knows that this is who you are, this is what you stand for. Look, until you change this mindset, my friends. But how do you change this mindset? The first way for you to change this mindset is by developing yourself. What I call personal development. Look, a man Jim Rohn spoke to me and he told me, look, if you want to get things out of life, good things out of life, learn to develop yourself. Learn to build your confidence. Learn to develop your character. My friends, anywhere you are, it doesn't matter where you come from, your country, your location, your tribe, your skin color, whatever it is. Don't you understand this? They are all universal principles, okay? Change your mindset. Change the mindset that you have about money. And this thing is about pre-programming. The reason why you have this limiting mindset is because of the things that you consume, okay? You're in the house, you're watching Netflix, you're doing this or binge watching all this bad stuff, okay? I want you to understand that money goes where attention flows. So get the attention. And it's very easy in our day and age. Everybody can use their phone and go online and do this and do that, okay? This is how you break the internet. Before you know it, money comes to you. It comes from where all the sources. Okay, the secret is that before you start making money, it's going to seem very, very difficult. But once the first money comes entering your account, okay, it seems like money is coming. You begin to wonder where did the money go to? Where has the money been all this while? I want you to know that if you do not have money in your hands, okay, there are people that have money, and you must change your mindset from scarcity to abundance. And you must develop yourself, invest in yourself, read good books, listen to good speakers, go to seminars, go to conferences, listen to people that change your mind, okay? And this way you're going to change your mindset about money, and things will start happening for you naturally. And I hope that you reach for the top, and that I'll see you at the top, and I'll see you again. Peace. I'll see you again.